Annyeonghaseyo. Hi, welcome to Jhope World. I have 2 new unboxings today, so let's get to it. Okay, I got all the stickers. I like that one. The last one says Jhope. Yes. Some BT21 stickers. Oh, I got 2 of these now. Okay. And another Hobie sticker. How cute. Oh, it's a Polaroid. Oh, that's so cool. A mini Polaroid from Dynamite music video. As you can see it. Isn't that cool? Oh, that's so cute. Another sticker there. Thank you so much for making another purchase. I hope these ones arrive to you safely and quickly. I'm sorry the poster got to you creased. I've included extra freebies for you. Have a nice day, Abigail. Okay, if you've seen my other unboxing of Jhope's Magic Shop poster, it was crinkled. So this is from the same seller. So they gave me a discount on some Jhope PCs. So I'm going to go ahead and get these open. Okay, so now I have 4 of 4 of the message cards. I only have 1 other message card of Jhope, and it's the gold ticket version. So I think it's 1 of 4, I believe. So now I got the 4th card, so I need to get 2 and 3, and I'll have Jhope's message cards complete. Okay, and I needed to replace a few of my Map of the Soul Tour Jhope PCs that I had fakes of. So this is the replacement for that. I think I got 2 of them from what I can recall. I don't know if I had more than 2. I think it was just 2 of them. Yeah, just 2. So there's the number, 3 of 8 and 2 of 8. Yeah, this one looks much better than the discolored version that I have. I'll probably replace these in my binder, but anyways, I'm going to go ahead and set these to the side since I now have these 2 to replace my fake ones. They look beautiful, by the way. All right. And the last PCs are from Con. Okay. Let's see what ones I got. This one's stuck in there really good. Okay, very beautiful. I have the Con the live poster of J-Hope in my bedroom. So I got 3 of 8. This is the first time I'm getting the PCs from the set, though, of J-Hope. Okay. And I think the other ones are right here. It's not easy for me to pull them out. I'm gonna pause the video, but anyways, this is what this PC here and that one, and then they gave me what it came in and something to store the PCs in. Anyways, I'll pause the video and get these pulled out so we can take a better look. Okay, now we can take a better look. And this one is 1 of 8. Again, here's this one, which is 3 of 8. And the last one that they had, 7 of 8. So there's quite a few other cards that I need to get to complete my J-Hope Bam Bam Con the Live PCs. So that is the unboxing today. I do have one more, actually, that I'm trying to forget about, which is from Amazon. I will share that one next, in the next clip. But this is all for the PCs that I've got this time around. So I got the message card, 4 of 4. He wrote Army on the back. And then I got 2 Map of the Soul official PCs. And 3 official Bam Bam Con the Live PCs. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the next unboxing. Let's get the Amazon package opened. Okay, yay, it's my Lemona. Ooh, wow, they gave me this Jhope PC. How nice. From the store Feel Soon retail shop. Thank you for your purchase. We specialize in K-pop album and idol goods in Korea. We are dealing with items that are not yet available from Amazon. If you have any questions about these items, please feel free to message us at Amazon. As a fan of K-pop, we sincerely hope you will like the goods we sell. That is so cool. All right. Very nice. I like that. That was a pleasant surprise. And I got my heart-shaped Lemona tin with Jhope version 2. Looking good there, Jhope. Has a signature there. I already unboxed a little one of Lemona, and there's the back of it. So yeah, this is vitamins, as you can see. It's supposed to help against tiredness, and then exercise, and maybe health, beauty, or something like that, I'm not sure. Since I can't read Hangul. This was the other one that I purchased some time ago. I've used up quite a bit of it. So I'll open it so you can see how much I have left in here. See, not very many. JK. Yoongi. Hobie. And this one's my birthday. February 10. That's my birthday. February 10, 2022 is when it expires. And the last packet is Tay. So that's what I have in this little cylinder one. It had 30 packs in there. It's really cute, so, and I'm keeping and collecting the tins, of course. So yeah, let's take a look in here. Whoa, big packs. They're all inside these little packets here, since I got a lot of them. So that's cool. Individual packets are inside. I don't know if they have different images on them, but I may show that sometime. Okay, so that's my unboxing today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a thumbs up. And until next time, I'll see you. Annyeong. Bye.